Hello and welcome to Art with me, Katie Cordy. In this installment of Fancy Farm Animals, we're going to learn how to draw a simple, fluffy sheep that you can dress any way you want. You can use any materials you want for your sheep.
Alright, so we're going to draw a sheep. I am going to start with a bunch of upside down U's or C's, depending on which way you want to go. They can vary in size, gives it a little more texture, or not. I'm not going to fill out the whole page because this is just going to be the head of my sheep, and I want to leave him or her plenty of room to have stylish clothing. So I now have the head of my sheep, but I need a face. So I'm going to use more C's or U's in this way to create space, almost like a triangle, for my sheep's face. 2 eyes. I'm going to make this one a girl. So I'm going to give her eyelashes because I think eyelashes are cute. Then I'm going to create a U for the nose, straight line down, and then 2 more U's for the mouth. So then I'm going to come over to the side and create a half circle. They're not perfectly circular, to create 2 ears. Now we have a face. The next part is clothes, and this is where you can get really inventive. I'm going to do some cute clothing. She looks like an adorable girl. So I'm going to create 2 soft lines, come down to create collars. Of course, if you don't want to draw a female sheep or draw clothing like the style clothing that I am, then you simply just change it up. Get inventive. Bunch of U's for some lace. Now I'm going to decided that I'm going to give her some arms. So I'm going to come down 2 lines. I can speak. And I'm going to turn them again. I want some frilly cuffs because I think those are cute. You might not even want your sheep to have arms, in which case you can take right from the top of your sheep all the way down in 2 curving lines. You can also give your sheep horns if you want to do a ram by drawing like the top half of bananas. I'm going to give her a flower. It's a little sad little flower, but it's fine. It's a good flower. All right. I'm going to draw a little waistline before I do my skirts. Now, whoosh, whoosh. Now she has skirts. If I want to make it look like there's wrinkles in the clothing, I can draw a bunch of hooks. Not a ton. You don't want to go overboard. They can give the idea of wrinkles very easily. So now I have my basic sheep. And I think I'm going to put a flower guard behind her. Sometimes I'll color in my animal first when I'm not sure exactly what kind of background I want to do. But this time I'm pretty sure I want to do some flowers. I have a few basic flowers in here, but now I think I'm going to do some roses. And to create roses, you create like a half circle, and then you can continually add to it by creating U's or C's. You don't want them to be perfectly even, and you don't want them to completely line up with each other. You want to make it organic, just like the real flower. Then I really like poppies, so I'm going to add a few, creating almost like a V shape. Connect the top, line up, straight, straight, boom, poppy. Put one over here too. And then if I want, I can add some leaves. And hint at the top part of my bush. If your background is getting busy, you can thicken up the lines around your sheep or ram to make them stick out a little bit better. There we go. And now I'm going to begin coloring. I think I'm going to make her fur pink. Not because it's necessarily realistic, but because I think it's cute. summary sheep, and a cat to critique my work. Hello, Juniper. Thanks for joining us, guys.